Okay, let's try and make an image from a texture. So let's go to File, Open, and we're going to open Render 5. Okay, let's go to our Untitled 12 drawing, and we're going to go New Resource, RenderWorks Texture, and this time we're going to name it Stucco, because it's a sort of a stucco texture. So we're going to use an image color. I use the image.psd from your exercise folder. We're going to have it tile vertically and horizontally, and you can see it's just a color. Now we're going to go to our bump, choose an image bump. We're going to import an image file. We're going to use bump.psd, and so this sort of random pattern is going to become the random series of dots. It's going to become bumps on the file. We can change the amplitude if you like. Click OK. Now let's change the object size to 50, which is what the object is on the drawing, and then we might change our size to 30 to see what it looks like. 40. So you make these changes to get the feeling, so this is about the right size. So this is what it's going to look like in reality. Click OK. We can now stick the stucco on that object there, and if we render it, it looks like stucco. Let me just zoom in, wait for it to re-render. So you can see every black dot turned into a depression, and everything left white was left at the higher level. If I right mouse click and choose edit, let's edit this and change the amplitude and make it we can make it deeper, we can make it shallower. Let's make it a bit shallower. 02. We can make the softness more. So what we should find is that there's more difference between, there's more transition between the highs and the lows. It's softer on the edges. So you can see it doesn't look so hard edged. Now with that, now that I've used an image, you'll see that I can play with the mapping. So I can change the mapping, I can change the scale, and you can do this interactively. So now we have an image, we can actually play with the scale and change it. We can rotate the image, so we can rotate it, make it rotate it more the way we want. Click on the update, the whole screen updates. So if you use an image texture, then these options here on the Object Info palette are able to be used.